Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all would be fine. I am also fine. In this video you will see some wonderful and amazing home and kitchen organization ideas. I always try to bring some new and innovative ideas for you. Look at these. All these home decoration ideas are new and unique. You can take the idea from this video, take the screenshot of the picture, or you can also save the video. If you are enjoying the video, then please give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends and family members. And if you are new on my channel and didn't subscribe the channel yet, then please subscribe the channel. If you are fond of home decoration and want to see new and unique ideas of home decoration, then you have clicked on the right video. I hope you will like the video. If you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. All these home decoration ideas are new and unique. You can take the screenshot of the picture, or you can also save the video. From which country you are watching my channel, let me know in the comment section so that I can send you the special greetings in my next video. And now have a look on some kitchen organization ideas. Look at this. All these kitchen organization ideas are new and unique. You can take the screenshot of the picture that you like most. You can organize your kitchen and home in this way. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. Bye bye.